In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your custom domain name. So if you haven't already registered your domain name, we recommend you go to GoDaddy.com. And you can just search your domain here. I'm going to use Sample Cars and hit search. You can see this one is available. .com is always preferred, followed by .net. If this domain wasn't available, we could always just add on maybe the state abbreviation, or just do Sample Cars Online. Once you find one, whatever it is, just make sure it's short and sweet, and we're going to continue to the cart. I'll just hit no on all these extras and continue. We don't need to get a hosting plan because Dealer Websites is going to host your website. You just need a domain name. 2 years here is pre-selected, and that's going to be the total cost to have your domain registered for 2 years. Now, the higher you do, the cheaper it's going to be. You get discounts for longer periods of time. 2 years is probably a good starting point. To set up your custom domain name with your website, just email us at support@dealerwebsites.com. We'll carefully set up your domain name. Include your dealership name, website domain name, and whether or not you're currently using custom email addresses. For example, sales@samplecars.com. We'll send you detailed instructions how to set that up. Or you can just email us to log into your registrar account and we'll make the necessary changes for you.